Hi, Abha.
Lovely session today. Of course, futures and options is a very, it is known to be a very complicated subject, derivatives in general. But I think the options session, setting the foundation and then doing the exam yesterday has given a good foundation for today's session. Because sir, आपकी जो real trades आप बताते हैं ना, समझ में आता है कि आपका approach आप कैसे build करते हैं. एक स्ट्रक्चर मिलता है कि दिस इज हाउ बिग एक्सपीरियंस्ड ट्रेडर्स लाइक योरसेल्व्स एंटर एंड अप्रोच द मार्केट. वो एक जो पहले व्यू था ना कि मार्केट्स आर मैनिपुलेटेड और मार्केट्स आर नॉट फॉर अस और मार्केट्स आर फॉर बिग प्लेयर्स ओनली. आई थिंक दैट myth gets busted when you start understanding that the theory of technical concepts applies exactly the way it should apply in the practical world. एंड आप जो थ्योरी और प्रैक्टिकल को साथ साथ लेके चलते हो उससे आई थिंक वो बिल्डअप और कॉन्फिडेंस आने में कि हाँ ये इफ यू गेट इट राइट यू कैन एक्चुअली डू इट राइट. सबसे बड़ी और सबसे इम्प्रेसिव चीज मुझे ये लगती है कि कमाल का पेशेंस है लोगों में. एवरीबडी, ऑल द टीचर्स, ऑल द ट्रेनर्स, ऑल द मेंटर्स, नॉट अ सिंगल क्वेश्चन गोज अनआंसर्ड. Not a single doubt goes unaddressed. Not a single, query, even if it is repeated, goes unaddressed. So I think it requires a lot of spiritual patience. What I can say categorically for myself, and I'm sure everybody will agree that organizations ऐसे नहीं बनती हैं. Organizations leaders से बनती हैं. So I think one, of course, you can give them the power of vision, but unless you follow the vision, they will not follow it. That's my view. And because you are a role model who is walking the talk, जो आप बोलते हो वो करके दिखाते हो. I think that's why your team has been able to come up to your levels of expectations. That's my view. So thank you very much, and very, very patient people, and thank you to the colleagues, जितने लोग हैं, participants, and they ask such relevant questions. It makes the session very enriching. Thank you so much.
Well said. And yes, I think you said it right. And lastly, what you said about participants. Participants are also awesome, the kind of questions they are asking. But as you rightly said, Abha, yes, initially you are definitely going to find it difficult, okay, to be successful. But market will help you discover yourself. And as we keep saying that market is such a place where वो spirituality अपने आप आ जाती है. Because when you decide to, shift your focus and detach yourself from money, then what you have is, of course, the spirituality. So this is a crux of market success, I believe. And I'm really grateful. You're right. All the people that who are associated with me, I'm really blessed to have everyone in my team. And I'm also blessed to have such a wonderful student.